responded me good, but I want to see if I can respond him. So let's see if I can get another touchdown, you know, and just, let's see. Kyle's coming back, and that's all that matters. Let's go Kyle, let's go moi. Let's go Colts, and 6.
Well, I'm not completely demolishing Kyle, but you know what I mean.
The Colts are enjoying a comfortable lead and could start sending the fans home if they repeat their last drive results. He's running out of time. He's going for it all. There for the attack. Inside the 40, to the 20, to the 10. Touchdown, Colts. He throws it in there for the touchdown again. That's his 4th pass that's gone for a score.
You know, sometimes you bang your head against the wall and you're trying to figure out what's going to work during the course of the day. And sometimes you come out here and it just feels easy. You're over laughing on the bench, having a good time. It's been fun today.
It looks like they'll go for 2. And he's in for 2.
I'm not completely out of this game either. I just responded Kyle with one play for a touchdown. You know, I just throw all the way to Reggie Wayne. I just switch, go to Reggie Wayne, catch that pass, and just go to the end zone. So far I'm enjoying this lead. It's actually pretty nice. Really, really nice. And I have 60 points. And let's see if Kyle can respond again. Because Kyle's doing an amazing job, and you know what, I gotta say bye for now, because you guys should enjoy me throwing that touchdown pass. So I gotta say bye for now, and yeah, I gotta see ya, and I gotta smile while I say bye.